Shopify Live Product Options. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you the Shopify Live Product Options. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is the leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage online stores with ease, in which it has grown to support millions of merchants worldwide by offering a user-friendly interface, a wide range of customizable themes, and a powerful tools for selling products online, in person, and through various social media and marketplace channels. And Shopify also provides an integrated solutions for inventory management, payment processing, shipping, marketing, and analytics, making it a comprehensive choice for both small startups and large enterprises. So now to create an account, you can click the Start Your Free Trial button on the top right. Then you can sign up using your email, Google account, your Facebook, and even your Apple ID. And now after signing in on any of these options, you will be able to be directed on this dashboard or homepage of Shopify. And now to proceed creating the live products, we could also proceed firstly by adding a products in here. And as you can see, I already added my product. And also going back in here homepage, just simply go to the search bar and kindly search live product. Then just click the enter below or simply click the search live product. Then you will automatically be directed on this page. Or you could also go to add apps button and click the Shopify App Store. But either way, you'll be able to be directed on this Shopify App Store in here. So just click this LPO, which is Live Product Options. By clicking this one, just click the install button, or by clicking on it, it will show you the overview of this application. And as you can see, it will offer you the pricing plan, Startup, the Basic, Pro, and Unlimited plan with the corresponding prices and benefits. And using this application, it will show you that you could also have an unlimited product options and variants, images, swatches, and of course a live preview directly on the product image. So now to proceed, just click the install button right here. Then you will automatically be directed on the page where you still need to install, or click the install button right here to successfully install this live product options. And after doing so, all you need to do is wait for it to load. Then you will automatically be directed on this page where you need to select the kind of pricing plan that they offer. And I'm going to choose the cheapest one, which is this is startup plan. By clicking the select button, you'll be able to be directed on the page where you need to enter your payment details, either your credit or debit card or just your PayPal account in here. And after that, I'm just going to select here, for example, this credit or debit card, and click the approve button to proceed. It will show you in here that you need to select the theme. I'm going to select this done theme, and after that, just click the enable app in theme editor. By clicking the button below, you'll be directed on your theme editor in here, where you can start turning on or enable the application in the left side panel. Simply turning on this one, you can proceed by clicking the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. But it will show you below this option, Live Product Options, which means it is basically being enabled or active in here. So just click the save button on the top right to save the changes. And after that, just simply go back in our page in here of our Shopify. Then click the next step, which is the step 2, to select the app language. And I'm going to choose the English one and click the next one once again. And for the last step, which is documentation and support, and even you can watch the video, just click set up product options below here. Now at this point of live product options, we can start by adding or selecting firstly the product targeting. We have here single product or multiple products if you have one. By choosing these multiple products, you can select here all products. But as you can see, I only have here one product available. So in that case, I'm just going to select the single product and click select product button. And click this one and select button. And after that, it will now show you in here below that we need to fill out also the description on the top panel. For example, I'm going to enter customize mug design, which is also the name of my product that I'm selling. And below we can skip this part and add an option. By clicking add option button, you can choose either a text, multi-line, number, and any other options that you prefer. And for this live product, I'm just going to select the type, which is, for example, the upload options, so that the customers will be able to upload their own design on the mug that they want to be printed or designed on their mug. For the name, I'm going to enter upload, and also for the label, which is also upload context. So as you can see, this is basically what the text will able to look like. It will show you the button text, which is choose file, with a max allowable file size of 10 MB. But you could also reduce the size if you want to, and even allow the file types, which is I'm going to select image only. And for the condition, you could also add one by clicking on it and click add condition button. You can choose here or enter the specific value, variant title, and many more. Or you could also close this one if you don't want it to add a condition. Now aside from that, you could also add more group if you want to in here. By clicking on it, you can simply enter the configuration and even advanced settings of it. However, I'm just going to close this one or remove it once again in here, and adding another options. Since we're selling here customized mug design, I'm just going to click add option once again, and at this point, I'm just going to select here this default one, which is text, so that the customers will be able to enter the kind of text that they want to enter or be inputted in their mug as a design. And for the name, I'm going to enter text. And also, you can add here the label of it, which is text. And for the value, you could also add it in here. And after that, it will now show you that we have now successfully add here a two option. But to add another one, I'm just going to do the same process. But at this point, the type I'm going to enter is this color, so that the customer can also choose the kind of color of the mug that they prefer. So if you're not done entering here this kind of options, we can now proceed by filling out the required information below here, which is also the design option style, which is the color of it, or the label color, input color, info icon color, leave and font size, the option color, and many more. So you can simply navigate in here to choose, or simply click on it and select the color palette that you prefer. And if you're now done, you could also upload a CSS file or even enable preview. By clicking on it, it will show you what it looks like on the right side panel. You can even change the width, the dimension, the height, and many more. But as you can see, I'm not just going to simply change all of this, and I'm going to keep it that way. And now, under statuses, just choose the active one and click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes that we just input in here. Upon doing so, we can now proceed by going to our dashboard or visiting our own online store, and this is basically what it looks like. So from here, you should be able to see the button or the text that you can upload a file in here. For example, by clicking this one, you should be able to upload the design or the images. And below, you can see here that you can choose here to enter the context that you want to enter on your mug, and even select a color in here. So basically, Shopify also offers a live product options through various features and apps that allow merchants to customize how products are presented and purchased. So basically, that is just the Shopify Live Products Options. Thank you.